Hi there, welcome to Jubilant. Are you looking to streamline your business operations and customize your CRM to fit your unique needs? In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating custom modules using Vtiger's powerful Module Builder tool. First, log into your CRM. Head over to Settings. Select CRM Settings. Then navigate to Other Settings and click on JB Module Builder from there. Select Create New Module. Now, let's create a new module. Enter the required information such as the module label, which is the name that will appear in the CRM, and the module name, which will be generated automatically for back-end purposes. Choose a parent menu where your module will be listed, and an identifier field. This will act as the primary field, like a contact name in the contact module. Once done, click Save. Next, let's add blocks and fields to the module. On the left corner, click Add Field and fill out the field type, field name, and field length. There are optional features like mandatory key field mass edit, quick create, and header field that you can enable or disable as needed. Click Save to confirm the changes. To organize fields, click Add Block on the right corner and name the block. Then select where you'd like to place it by choosing the Add After option. After adding, click Save to confirm the changes. Then let's try to create fields under this block. Fill out the field type, field name, and field length, and click Save to confirm the changes. Field is successfully created, and try another one following the same steps. Fields are successfully created. Once your fields are added, let's create the list view. Select the default field from the drop-down bar and then choose the fields that should appear in the list view. After selecting the fields, click Save and your new module will be successfully created.
Now, let's create a record in the newly created module. Select the View Module link and in the module, click New Record at the top left of the list view. Fill out the mandatory fields. Then save the changes.
You now have access to Summary Page View,
where you can also add comments if needed.
Try to add some comment and post it. Let's check the Detail Page View.
To see all records, navigate to All in the list view. Finally, let's customize the module further with the Layout Editor. Click the Customize button at the top left and select Module Field and Layout. Scroll down and click Add Custom Fields and adjust field properties as necessary. Save your changes and you'll receive a confirmation message.
Use the drag and drop feature to adjust the fields.
And that's it. You've successfully created a custom module using Vtiger's Module Builder.
Go to Menu and there you can see the created module.
Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more CRM tips and tricks.